Page 42. 22. What kind of DVDs has Meg got? Listen to the dialogue and tick.
I believe if you put a bit of love and intent into everything you do, including cooking, it can produce some magical
Oh,
results.
you are watching a cooking program. I hate watching cooking programs because I think they are a waste of time.
Well, I'm bored and there aren't any good programs.
Why don't we get a cup of coffee at the cafe on the corner?
No, thank you. I don't like their coffee. I can make you coffee here.
Cool.
How about watching a DVD?
Oh, what a great idea. What shall we watch?
More than just cookery.
Let me see. I've got romantic comedy films, action films, a love story, and a horror film. Would you like to watch a war film?
I suppose it is a bad idea because there is a lot of violence in them. If you ask me, we should watch Titanic. I enjoy watching it again and again. The scenario is really good.
Oh, I think it is a fantastic idea. I watched it only once.
I guess the film won 11 awards.
Really? Did the actors win the Oscar awards?
No, but it won the Best Picture and Best Director awards.
Who is the director?
James Cameron. He wrote, directed, and produced it.
Do you know the cast of Titanic?
Let's read the DVD cover. It stars Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. They are the leading actors. Gloria Stewart, Billy Zane, and some others also play in it.
Leonardo DiCaprio is really cool. You put the DVD into my computer, and I'll make coffee.
Do you have the time?
It is about 4 o'clock.
Be quick. I must buy a birthday present for my sister before I go home.
When is her birthday?
It is tomorrow, 4th of July.